Okay everyone, for the next question, they say that 5 gram of magnesium chloride reacted completely with excess hydrochloric acid to produce magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. This is the questions in the question paper that I gave to you during the class just now. Okay, so for the question A is write balance equation. So I hope you can do this one. For the next question, they ask you what is volume of the hydrogen gas. So this question they ask you to determine the volume of the gas. So means you need to do some calculations. Okay, so regardless they ask you the volume, the mass, concentration or number of particles, what you need to do is using the 6 steps that I teach you in the class just now. Okay, for this question we will do together. Okay, so to answer question B, you need to write down the 6 steps. Okay, the first step is to write down your equation. Okay, so from the reaction just now they say that you have magnesium chloride, not magnesium chloride here, it should be magnesium. 5 gram of magnesium reacted completely with excess hydrochloric acid. Okay, so from this question the information that you get is magnesium react with HCl. So you write down your equation, magnesium plus HCl, you will produce magnesium chloride, MgCl2 and hydrogen gas. Okay, it was stated in the question. So now what you need to do is to balance the equation. So when you balance, you will put 2 here. Okay, so I hope you know how to balance the equations already. So as you remember in the class, the second step what you should do is to write down your informations that you have from the question just now. Okay, so from the question just now, the informations that you have, that they told you 5 gram magnesium reacted completely. So the only information that you have is the mass of magnesium is based on the question given. So the second step, you should write down mass under magnesium because it refers to the magnesium. It is 5 gram. Okay, so next the third step is to find the mole. Okay, but from the informations that you have, you only have information about magnesium only. So for the third step, you only can find the mole of magnesium. And from the informations that you have, you only know about mass of magnesium. So from here, you know that the formula that you can use is mole equals to mass over molar mass. Okay, so why we use this formula? Because the information that you have is about mass. So now we proceed with the calculations. You have your mass is 5 gram and molar mass for magnesium. So to know the molar mass for magnesium, as we discussed in the class, you should refer your periodic table, and based on the periodic table, the molar mass of magnesium is 24. Okay, so you get the mole. Okay, so you please find the mole. I didn't bring the calculator, so you need to find the mole by yourself later. Okay, so now once you get the mole here, you need to proceed with the fourth step, which is the ratio, or we call as theory ratio. Okay, so how you get your theory ratio? Based on the equation here. Okay, so what ratio you should take? Refer to the question back. What information they want to know? They want to know the volume of gas. Okay, so here you should take the ratio of the hydrogen gas, which is from the equation here, the ratio is 1. Okay, from the number in front here. Okay, and the next ratio is the one that you know. So from this question, the information that you know is only about magnesium. So the ratio for magnesium will be 1 also. Okay, from the equation. So the ratio become 1 to 1 ratio. Okay, because you want to know hydrogen, but you know about the magnesium. Okay, next, the fifth step, what you should do is balance the real mole. Okay, mole ratio. Okay, mole ratio. So just now you find the mole here already. So this mole is referred to the magnesium. So you will write down the mole for magnesium here. Okay, if the mole here is X, so this one also will be X. Okay, because as you see the ratio is same, so the mole ratio also will be same. Okay, this one you need to calculate by yourself. Okay, so the last step means you already know your mole here from this question, so this mole will same with this one. Okay, so sixth step, you need to find the volume. Okay, so which volume you want to know? You want to know volume hydrogen gas, so write down under hydrogen gas the formula that you will use. Okay, the formula that you will use is mole equals to V over 24. Okay, you want to know about your V. Okay, now you already get your mole. This one you need to find by yourself. So you know the value already, which is X equals to volume over 24. So how you want to know about your volume? So volume will be equals to 24 times X. So what will be the unit? The unit is a dm cube. Why? As I told you, this is the unit in dm cube. So the volume that you will get here also in dm cube. Okay, so you try to do by yourself, find the answer if you can get it or not. Okay.